How to delete your Instagram account in 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can go ahead and delete your Instagram account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines in the top right to go to your settings. From the settings page, you need to go ahead and open the account center that is in the top of the screen. From this page, tap on Manage Account section. And here again, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now select Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Instagram account and then select Delete Account. If you tap on Deactivate Account, that will be temporary. But if you select Delete Account, this is permanent. And all of your videos, photos, your profile, your comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed from your Instagram account. But within the 30 days of deletion, you can come back and reactivate your account if you change your mind. Now tap on Continue, which is highlighted in blue color. Tap on Continue again. Select the reason for deletion and tap on Continue. Now, last but not least, you need to go ahead and enter the correct format your password of your Instagram account and then tap on Continue. And you'll be done. This way, you can delete your Instagram account permanently on your mobile phone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.